Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Homezo Magic Exfoliating is probably one of the most talked about skincare innovations this year, promising a revolutionary approach to achieving that coveted baby soft skin without the harshness of traditional scrubs or the inconvenience of chemical peels. Imagine effortlessly sloughing away dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, smoother complexion that feels incredibly refreshed and revitalized, all with a product designed for ultimate ease of use and remarkable results, making it a must-have for anyone seeking a radiant glow. Number 5. Fullstar Original Pro Chopper, 4-in-1, White. Discover TikTok's favorite veggie chopper, one of the top-rated kitchen gadgets this season. It dices in just 30 seconds, saving you significant time on meal prep. This kitchen essential is simple to set up and clean, making it the ultimate daily helper. It's perfect for healthy eating, even on a busy schedule. Done prepping? Simply toss it on the top rack of your dishwasher for a no-scrub cleanup. It's a clever and convenient choice for any occasion. It features heavy-duty, rust-resistant stainless steel blades that stay razor-sharp. Its compact frame fits neatly in drawers or cabinets. Designed for comfort and precision, it has a soft grip handle and a non-skid rubber base for maximum stability. The built-in catch tray keeps counters clean. This gadget makes meal prep fast, safe, and fun. It's a top-rated gift for anyone who wants to cook smarter, faster, and easier. What we like? This kitchen gadget is designed for speed and convenience. It dices vegetables in just 30 seconds, saving you valuable prep time. If you're someone who loves to cook but is always short on time, or if you're looking for an easy way to incorporate more fresh vegetables into your meals, this is the perfect tool for you. Its dishwasher-safe design also makes cleanup a breeze. What people say? It's super easy to use, makes chopping anything super fast, and the blades have stayed sharp as anything. I especially love this thing for chopping onions. Thanks to the pieces being contained in the bin after being chopped, they don't have the opportunity to make my eyes water. It's the best thing since sliced bread. I am eating way more salads and vegetables because chopping is pretty much effortless with this little gadget. Number 4. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. Introducing the ultimate cleaning solution for your car. This innovative gel is designed to reach every nook and cranny, making car detailing a breeze. Using it is as simple as pressing it into tight spaces. Watch as it effortlessly lifts away dust and debris, leaving your car's interior looking pristine. Crafted from natural materials with a pleasant scent, this cleaning compound is safe for your car's surfaces. It effectively picks up dust without causing any damage. This cleaning gel can be used multiple times until it turns black. Simply store it back in its container in a cool, dry place for future use. Its versatility extends beyond your vehicle. Use it to clean electronics, keyboards, and even furniture at home or in the office. Looking for a unique gift? This makes an ideal present for men and women, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. What we like? This cleaning compound is perfect for reaching those tricky spots. It easily picks up dust and debris from car interiors and electronics. If your car's vents are always dusty, or if you're tired of crumbs getting stuck in your keyboard, this is the ideal solution. Its reusable nature and versatility make it a great value for keeping various spaces clean. What people say? It did a great job lifting fine particles, dust, fingerprints. It removed things without leaving a sticky residue behind. It worked great. Then again, I clean my car pretty regularly so it's not overly dirty. It's just those cracks in between and I can't reach above me. It was able to reach places I could not go with a rag. It's not sticky and doesn't stick to your hands, which is helpful. Nothing like sticky stuff in my hands. It worked well at removing the dust in the vents and some corners you could not get a rag into. It's very gentle and easy to use. Number 3. Revlon Volcanic Stone Face Roller. Tired of midday shine? This volcanic stone roller instantly absorbs excess oil, leaving your skin with a smooth, matte finish. Achieve a flawless look without any hassle. Keep your makeup looking fresh all day long. This tool effectively removes excess oil without disturbing your foundation or concealer. Touch up anytime, anywhere for a consistently polished appearance. Control oil and shine wherever you are. Its compact design makes it perfect for your purse or travel bag. Use it on clean skin at home or to refresh your look while out and about. Say goodbye to wasteful blotting papers. Crafted from real volcanic stone, this roller offers a sustainable solution for banishing shine. It's reusable and washable, making it an eco-conscious choice. Maintain your roller with ease. When it's time for a refresh, simply swap out the roller balls with our convenient refill packs. No need to buy a whole new device, just replace the essential part. Discover the secret to quick and effective shine removal. This facial roller utilizes the natural properties of volcanic stone to mattify your skin efficiently. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. What we like. This tool is your secret weapon for a shine-free complexion. It instantly mattifies your skin by absorbing excess oil without disturbing your makeup. If you struggle with oily skin throughout the day, or if you need a quick touch-up before a meeting or event, this is a must-have. Its portability means you can banish shine anytime, anywhere. What people say. The Homezo Magic Exfoliating Glove is a game-changer for achieving smooth, radiant skin. Its unique texture effectively removes dead skin cells and impurities, revealing a brighter complexion. The glove is durable and easy to use, making exfoliation a simple yet effective part of my skincare routine. Number 2. Seraphic Skincare Original Premium Exfoliating Mitt. Tired of dull skin? Discover the secret to a radiant complexion with our premium exfoliating mitt. It's designed to gently buff away dead skin cells, leaving your body feeling incredibly soft and smooth. Crafted from 100% vegan viscose, this traditional Kesa-style glove provides a deep yet gentle cleanse. It effectively removes impurities and dead skin without irritation, making it perfect for daily use. Achieve a flawless self-tan application or remove old tan with ease. This mitt ensures an even canvas for tanning and helps lift away unwanted color for a clean slate. Say goodbye to bumpy skin. Our exfoliating mitt is an excellent tool for managing keratosis pilaris, smoothing rough patches and improving skin texture for a clearer appearance. Transform your regular shower routine into a luxurious spa experience. Enjoy the invigorating sensation and visible results that come with regular exfoliation using this essential body scrub glove. Feel good about your skincare choices. This mitt is not only vegan but also designed for durability, offering a sustainable way to achieve beautifully smooth skin. What we like. Experience a luxurious exfoliation with this vegan mitt. It's designed for a deep scrub, leaving your skin feeling incredibly smooth. If you're looking to achieve a flawless self-tan application and removal, or if you suffer from rough patches or keratosis pilaris, this mitt is an excellent choice. It provides a traditional spa-like experience at home. What people say. Sometimes when I use these I can see a ton of dead skin visibly exfoliated, which leaves my skin nice and smooth. If you follow the directions by not using soap nor using it under running water, you will find the results unlike any other shower scrubber I have used. No more flaky skin. It was smooth and showed off my tattoo because there was no gray haze of dead skin on top. The first time I bought this, I was appalled and excited at how much dry skin was coming off my body. I used for many uses, washing in washing machine after each use, and it was super easy to use and left my skin feeling soft. Number 1. Dermasuri Deep Exfoliating Glove. Discover the secret to smoother, radiant skin with our deep exfoliating glove. Inspired by Korean beauty secrets, it gently removes dead skin cells for a refreshed feel. Tired of bumpy skin? This powerful mitt is designed to tackle keratosis pilaris, leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft and even-toned. Achieve a flawless self-tan application every time. It effectively removes dead skin, ensuring an even and natural-looking glow. Struggling with ingrown hairs? Our exfoliating glove helps to lift hairs and prevent them from becoming trapped, promoting healthier skin. Designed for both women and men, this shower glove provides a deep yet gentle exfoliation. Enjoy a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. Just wet the glove, lather with your favorite soap, and gently scrub your skin in a downward motion. You'll be amazed at the dead skin that rolls away. What we like. This glove offers a powerful exfoliating treatment for your entire body. It's specifically designed to tackle issues like keratosis pilaris and ingrown hairs, revealing smoother skin. If you're seeking a solution for bumpy skin, razor bumps, or want to prep your skin for a perfect self-tan, this is the glove for you. It's an effective tool for achieving smoother, clearer skin. What people say. The Homezo Magic Exfoliating Glove is a game changer for achieving smooth, radiant skin. Its unique texture effectively sloughs away dead skin cells, revealing a brighter complexion. The glove is designed for comfortable use, fitting snugly on the hand for precise exfoliation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.